Unlocking the Secrets of Prime Time. A Guide to TV's Golden Hour. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a term that's ubiquitous in the world of television and broadcasting: prime time spot. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about media terms, understanding what prime time is will give you insight into not just TV schedules, but also cultural priorities. So, let's get started. Prime time refers to the block of evening hours when television viewership is at its highest. This period usually ranges from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays. During prime time, broadcasters air their most popular shows, new episodes, and special events to capture the largest possible audience. The concept of prime time is crucial because it's when networks can charge the most for advertising space, reflecting the high number of viewers tuned in. Securing a prime time spot is a golden ticket for TV shows and advertisers alike. For shows, being aired during prime time means a greater chance of attracting a wide audience, leading to higher ratings and potentially more seasons. For advertisers, the large audience offers a prime opportunity to showcase products and services to more viewers, increasing the chances of consumer engagement and sales. It's interesting to note that prime time hours can vary by country, reflecting different work schedules, cultural norms, and viewing habits. For instance, in some countries, prime time might start earlier or extend later into the night. This variation shows how the concept of prime time is adapted to fit the lifestyles and preferences of different populations. In today's digital age, the idea of prime time is evolving. With the rise of streaming services and on-demand content, viewers are no longer bound by traditional TV schedules. However, the concept of a prime time spot still holds value in live television events, such as sports, award shows, and reality TV finales, where simultaneous viewership creates a shared experience. Understanding the significance of the prime time spot offers more than a glimpse into TV programming. It reveals insights into cultural values, advertising strategies, and the evolving landscape of media consumption. We hope this exploration has shed light on why prime time continues to be TV's golden hour, even as viewing habits change. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its cultural nuances. See you in the next video.